Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I need to describe you how to make the nut of the guitar. So you would have a with you polygon primitives from polygon primitives, the cube. You would have this shape in a rectangular form, like something like this, and maybe something like this. Okay, maybe a little smaller. You change your view to this direction. Then you need to go to this edge mode, and here you can use you can use the multi-cut tool. But if you don't want to use the multi-cut tool, you can go to these mesh tools and you can use the insert edge loop. You need to slide on an edge, and the edge loop will be inserted perpendicular to that direction. For example, if you slide it on this edge, you would have a edge loop in this direction. If you would slide on this, you would have a perpendicular direction edge loop. Okay, so simple rule is you slide on an edge and it will perpendicularly add the uh, edge loop uh, to that shape. Okay, for example, if I slide over here, if I slide over here, and if I slide over here, so you see sliding on the edge, insert the edge loop. Similarly, I can do here similar, like like this and like this. So once we have the edge loops, our edge loops, now we need to insert two more edge loop for each of these uh, nuts that will eat of these slot of the nut. So there to other option is other tool is of offset edge loop. One is the insert edge loop, the other one is offset edge loop. So we will select offset edge loop. So we just slide vertically on the edge. I will slide vertically like this, so I can insert an edge loop. Okay, so I will slide here. You see, I am inserting two edge loops, one on the right, one on the left. Similarly, I'm sliding from top to bottom like this. Similarly, I'm sliding top to bottom like this. Okay, so that's how I'm sliding top to bottom and selecting where my edge loop would be. Okay, so uh, once you are done, you have the edge loop. The other thing is you can if you need to, you can come out by pressing this arrow, and now if you go to the edge mode, you can make the correction right now and afterward also. If you, for example, this edge loop is too close, I will double click over it, and I can move it in this direction. I can move it in this direction as much as I'm happy that it is enough distance from the center one. For example, this looks me little bit farther, so maybe this one, maybe I need to make it little farther, and this one this direction, this one this direction, so I can fix them. Okay, so I can move and fix them. Maybe this one is too much, a little bit here, little bit here. Okay, and this one somewhere here. So once I'm done, you see uh, I made them gradually more distance to each next one. Okay, so now I will be in edge loop. I will click on it, hold shift, and I'll select all these top edges. So once I have selected all of them, I can move them downwards like this. Once I'm satisfied, this will be good. But you see, if I press 3, you see it will be not very much sharp depression, sharp notch. To make them sharp, I will add uh, 2 more edge loop for each notch. So I will go again here and I will uh, insert edge loop. I will select here, near to this, and near to this, and near to this, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. So I will press 3 and you see the sharpness has increased, but I to hold the shape I will insert one edge loop here, one edge loop here, one at the extreme end on that side, one here, and one in the center, like this. So when I press 3 now, you see our shape is held very good. So see, this is smaller, bigger, bigger, and that's how. So maybe I can make the more sharper edge for this one. So I will go to edge mode. I will come out of this slider tool. I will press 1 and I will make this loop and I will hold shift, select this loop, double click over it, shift, double click over it, and then I will scale it. I want to move it horizontally. To move both together, I will scale it horizontally. I will press this like this to bring it closer. Maybe this one I need to shift manually to make it more closer like this. And similarly, if I want to make edges more sharper here and sharper here, I'm shift holding this one and uh, I don't want to slide them, I want to scale them. Okay, I will select scale them to bring them together. Similarly, I will select this one, shift, hold this one, and scale them together to bring them together like this. So when I press 3, now you see the edges are now more sharper, okay? And still I can make more sharper if I bring them together close to each other again. So I will just press 1 and now I will just double click, select over here, shift double click over here and make it very close like this. Shift double click, shift double click and make it very close. Shift double click, shift double click and make it very close. So first time I'll double click and then I shift hold double click and make them very close. Double click, shift double click, closer, double click, shift double click and make them closer. So now when I'm satisfied, so I will this is how I made the nut. And the center part was having a protruding part also. So I can select this one. So I will go first, click shift click here and here and here. So not this one. I want to select this one. Okay. So I select these 3 edges and I will move them upward. It give a little taper view. Okay. That's it. That's how I made the nut. Okay. See? So that's how you can make the nut. I hope you understand this. If you have any more questions, you can ask me again. See you soon. Goodbye.